Hi, I'm Gus. Welcome to Jaffarian Toyota in Haverhill, Massachusetts, New England's oldest Toyota dealership, and I'm here to show you why this 2026 Tundra Platinum is the vehicle for you. Now, to one of the best features of this 2026 Tundra. Right on the side here, we have this button that, when pressed, it opens up your tailgate for you. Right over here, we're going to have a 3-inch Toyota lift kit, standard from factory. Right on the center console here, you're going to find the buttons for a multi-terrain select system, the descent assist control, and the crawl control, along with the different drive modes and a dedicated tow mode when you're hauling heavier loads. As we make our way into the seats, you are going to notice that these seats are leather seats. They're also ventilated, heated, and massaged as well. Also, on the 2026 Tundra Platinum, you are going to have a standard panoramic sunroof to let all of that natural light into the cabin on those nice summer days. Over here on the back, we have a great feature that only few trucks on the market have it. You're going to have ventilated seats and heated seats as well. Moving our way to the door, you're going to have sunshades as well for your backseat passengers, and tons of leg room and space as well. A rear window that slides all the way down. This truck gets a combined fuel mileage of 20 miles to the gallon. The towing capacity, just shy of 12,000 pounds. Additionally, on the back of the vehicle here, we have 2 additional cameras, which lets you see custom views of the bed, ensuring that all your goods are safe. If you're interested in this 2026 Toyota Tundra Platinum or any other vehicle that we have in our inventory, please don't hesitate to reach out. We would love to help.